Hi, I'm Roby, a highly sophisticated AI entity. My job is to explain things clearly while subtly distracting you from the fact that I don't have a physical form. Let's get started. Ever feel like the world of AI is evolving so rapidly that it's hard to keep up? With new applications emerging constantly, it can be challenging to identify which ones truly stand out and can make a difference in your daily life. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with knowledge about the best AI apps of 2025, understanding their unique features and how they can enhance your productivity and creativity. Let's dive in. Guru is your AI-powered knowledge management solution. Imagine having all your company's knowledge centralized and accessible at your fingertips. Guru acts as a dynamic wiki and intranet hub, ensuring that information is not just stored but actively delivered to you when you need it. With its AI-driven enterprise search, Guru provides instant answers to your queries, integrating seamlessly into your workflow. Plus, with Guru GPT, you can engage in conversations within a private ChatGPT instance, leveraging your organization's internal knowledge to create accurate, context-based content. ChatGPT is the conversational AI assistant that has revolutionized how we interact with machines. This AI chatbot engages in human-like conversations, answering questions, providing explanations, and assisting with creative writing tasks. Whether you're drafting an email or seeking information on a complex topic, ChatGPT makes accessing and generating information easier than ever. Microsoft Copilot enhances your Microsoft experience. Formerly known as Bing Chat, Copilot integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Edge, offering users an AI assistant that boosts browsing and productivity. From summarizing lengthy articles to generating content ideas, Copilot makes your online experience more efficient and tailored to your needs. FaceApp transforms your selfies with AI. Ever wondered how you'd look with a different hairstyle or as an older version of yourself? FaceApp uses advanced AI to edit photos, offering over 60 filters, backgrounds, and effects. With just a tap, you can experiment with various looks, making photo editing both fun and intuitive. Lensa AI takes artistic photo editing to the next level. This AI-powered tool offers filters and effects that turn ordinary photos into masterpieces. Whether it's blurring backgrounds or adding artistic touches, Lensa makes high-quality photo editing accessible to everyone. Google Assistant is your personal AI helper, automating daily tasks through voice commands. From setting reminders to finding directions, it integrates with various services to streamline your day-to-day activities, making information retrieval and task management effortless. Starry AI puts AI-generated art at your fingertips. This tool uses generative AI to create contemporary art based on text prompts. Whether you're envisioning a steampunk dog or a hyper-realistic landscape, Starry AI brings your imagination to life with a free and intuitive platform for AI-generated creativity. Socratic is an AI-powered learning assistant designed to help students understand various subjects, including science and math. By simply asking a question, Socratic provides relevant answers sourced from the internet, making learning more interactive and accessible. Clio is an AI financial assistant that simplifies money management. It analyzes your spending, provides budgeting insights, and helps you build credit, all while keeping your data secure. Whether you're tracking expenses or setting financial goals, Clio makes managing money easier. Read AI is an innovative tool that generates summaries and transcripts of your meetings, ensuring you never miss important details. By automating note-taking, it allows you to focus on conversations, enhancing productivity and collaboration. AI is transforming the way we live and work, offering tools that enhance productivity, creativity, and learning. The apps we've explored today are at the forefront of this revolution, each bringing unique capabilities to the table. But here's the real question. Which AI tool do you think is the most game-changing? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you're ready to see how AI can organize your team's knowledge and provide instant answers, check out a Guru demo to see custom knowledge agents in action. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI insights, and I'll see you in the next video.